Hello fitness enthusiasts. Today we're diving into one of the most iconic arm exercises, the dumbbell bicep curl. Stick around as we break down the steps to help you sculpt those biceps effectively. Grab a pair of dumbbells that match your fitness level. Make sure you can maintain proper form throughout the exercise. Stand with a dumbbell in each hand, arms fully extended by your sides. This is your starting position. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, bend your elbows and lift the dumbbells toward your shoulders. Keep your upper arms stationary. The movement should come from your forearms. As you lift the dumbbells, squeeze your biceps at the top of the movement. This maximizes the contraction in your muscle and ensures you're getting the most out of each repetition. In a controlled manner, lower the dumbbells back down to the starting position. Avoid swinging or using momentum. Focus on the resistance to work those biceps. Repeat the movement for the desired number of repetitions. Exhale as you lift the dumbbells and inhale as you lower them. Remember, quality over quantity. There you have it, the dumbbell bicep curl. A classic, effective exercise for building those biceps. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips. Until next time, keep curling and stay strong.